There is a lot of nice country to see in Nevada, and some of it is nearly 15,000 feet high, while some is around 300 feet below sea level. We're at 2,000 feet, but to see Nevada's wonder of the 30s, some people prefer to go higher and look down on it. If there's a buck to be made, then someone will provide the service. A lot of people come to see the dam, mainly because it's a convenient day trip from Las Vegas. I guess it's a break from the tables. For sure, it explains why Vegas, in the middle of the Mojave Desert, can burn so many lights. The 1,400-mile descent of the mighty Colorado River from the Rocky Mountains to the Pacific Ocean was of little help to the early settlers. It either flooded or dried up. So the 1930s, with all its problems, seemed to be the right time to do something about it, and what a massive project it was. If the only benefit had been hydroelectric power, then that would alone have probably justified its construction. However, the ongoing spill-off that developed was beyond the instigator's wildest dreams. The dam held back the Colorado and created Lake Mead, which stretched 110 miles, or to the lower end of the Grand Canyon. It holds 2 years' flow of the river, and this now provides aqua recreation for 5 million visitors a year. The haven for wildlife and its advantages is impossible to calculate. The regular and constant supply of water after it has done its power job becomes canalized and has turned millions of acres of arid desert into lush farmland. We saw carrots growing in temperatures of 117 degrees Fahrenheit. On reflection, the dam was probably the best thing that came out of America during the 1930s. There's much they'd like to forget. The pattern of crime that developed from the Hoover era has got worse and worse, and that has happened in cities like Los Angeles, Las Vegas and San Diego, cities that could not have grown without the aid of the Hoover Dam.